Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix text notification sound not working in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, turn on notification sound. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see apps, select app that you want. After selecting app, click on notification and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn off notification sound from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app data and cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search, messages app. Now click on messages, scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage, and if you want to clear cache then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear storage then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix text notification sound not working in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.